Okay, we are all set up here, getting ready to get a fire going in the mountains, Motobu in Okinawa. Beautiful weather, nice and cool. Got the van all set up. First trip, finally. I'm so happy to be back into the van, but to show you guys around if anyone's new and hasn't seen before. This is my JBL Bluetooth speaker, just a little electric fireplace. It's just light for ambiance. I got my weather station there. This is for at night. I'm going to plug this in. I got 120 volt power. We're going to go ahead and run some air. And this is for the shower. So I made everything myself. It's just magnets, as you can see the magnets here and there. Just close it. But corrugated tin and an actual shower pan on the bottom. And the tin fits on the inside of the pan so it doesn't leak any water. And there's a drain underneath there. So when we want to take a shower, we just simply pull the toilet out. The toilet's really light. We just take it out. But got on-demand water heater. But yep, this is the van. Nissan NV350. Got touch LEDs here. And again, got outlets throughout around where if we want to plug something in out here. Lights, stereo, something if anybody needs some power, run an electrical cord out there, extension cord. We got the fridge under here. This just slides all the way out, so it fits under there perfect. And then we have the camp chef. It's a stove oven combo. I put the towel there when I'm driving so it just doesn't make any rattling sound. It's nice and quiet. This is real weathered quartz stone tiles here. It's just it's got an adhesive backing. It's pretty thin, but it doesn't add that much weight to the van. So I wanted to have some real stone walls in here to make it just a nice ambiance. My theme was to have a wildlife theme and like a log cabin theme. A Paso fixture here works great. I got a accumulator in the back that keeps about 10 to 15 psi on it, so it doesn't gurgle and have a bunch of air in there. And I got a 55 psi 42 C-flow pump, which is amazing. And this is a solid hand hammered copper sink with the soap dispenser here. I got another USB charger here. This controls the lights. I got an LED light strip under here. It's just not on right now, but it's pretty nice. I can control the lights down. I like the touch LEDs, and I like these light fixtures here where it's just touch on and off. Pretty nice. I can turn the lights down to save power, and then at night also to keep bugs out of here, I can turn everything down on dim. Made all this myself. This is just wood with epoxy and paint, and it just came out amazing. I wanted like a stone effect on it, so it just pops up. And then under here is a little kitchen stuff. All of our plates and cups, trash can, cleaner, gray water tank for under the sink there. It just goes in there, and then it actually goes down out all the way out through the floor of the vehicle. And just more pot space storage, and this is just utensils here. So yeah, this space is pretty nice. It's just enough to hang out. Got a seat right here, under seat storage. This just pops up. This is a table here, this pops out. So when you're sitting right here, another USB charger, 2 USBs. And the bed here, the bed pulls all the way out, and it's a full 6 feet. So yeah, there is a lip there. I just got some foam in the back that I put, and it fills this space here. And then once we put the air mattress on top and then the futon, it's completely flat and smooth and comfortable. So full 6 feet, so we can sleep The bed is also back here. Is what I call my information wall. The bed's also recline, incline, decline here. You can see it comes up. So yeah, it'll come all the way up to a full sitting position. So it's kind of nice, you know, we can hang out. I got a 330-pound actuator, 12-volt actuator in the back. This is just a little pantry right here, storage things. My wife likes to read. She's Japanese, of course, as you guys know. So got some books, a little book nook for her. Yeah, we just got. This is my my water gauge here. I got it connected on the back now, so I can turn this on, the switch here, and it shows you how much water we got. So we're full. That way I don't have to go all the way out in the back and look at everything. But yeah, this is the van. After 4 months of the crash, I'm so happy to have it back. Be back out here in the wood. So here's a little shot of the garage for anyone that hasn't seen it before. Just got a small little sprayer back here, bidet sprayer, but it works great just for rinsing stuff off before I put it back here. My water tanks. This is a Seaflow Steel 42. This thing works amazing. And there's the accumulator. It keeps a positive pressure in the line so it doesn't just gurgle and burp and make all these weird air sounds. And two air tanks, or 2 water tanks here. I just put it in there. This pump is self-siphoning, so you just drop the hose in there and it pumps the water out. These two are connected via this hose down there, so the water will just level between both the tanks. And back here, 40 amp ever solar controller, 3000 watt energy. I got a 300 amp hour lithium battery, and just some more storage that fits under here. And I got 400 watts of solar on the roof of the vehicle. So right here, solar coming in, I can control it, isolate everything. Like if I'm traveling and there's bad weather or lightning on the way, I can just go ahead and disconnect everything. So if we were to get struck on top by lightning, it doesn't come into the vehicle through the wires here and just destroy all my electrical stuff. So this is just solar. I got everything heavy duty fused, 30 amp, 30 amp, another 30 amp, and then I got a 300 amp back there for the energy. This is my 12 volt distribution block for all the 12 volt stuff like USBs and the LED lights. But yeah, this battery is really amazing. Comes with an electric charger as well, but the solar just works amazing. And as you can see, I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, it's like 94% right now. That's all day Bluetooth stereo going, lights gone, the water pump, and just driving almost 2 hours to get here. So even right now that it's cloudy, the solar, it's actually still charging. There's a charge right there. So, but yeah, this is an amazing place. We like coming here. It's peaceful. It's really cool, rocky karst, top of the mountain campsite, and the owner, he just did a tremendous amount of work with all these rocks. He did all this stuff himself. He has an excavator machine, and he literally, I mean, we were in the mountain. You can see the top of the mountain up in the trees there. So as it comes down, this was just mountainside, and he had to dig up all these rocks and break them and make it flat in here and then way over there, with a lot of dirt. And he made like steps right here coming up, but yeah, these are all huge rocks, and it's this, the whole mountain's rocky like this, so it's really cool. Really cool environment. But yep, this is our campsite for tonight. We're gonna build us a fire, get some food going. We got a visitor right here. But yeah, we got some steaks and some good grilling food for tonight. Looking forward to it. We got a fire pit right here, so it ought to be a nice, enjoyable evening with lots of food and a few adult beverages. show you guys the suction cups on the van here. So because of my solar panels, for those of you who don't know, the solar panels take up the roof, and I couldn't actually put the like an awning that I wanted with that actually bolts to the vehicle that folds out a couple meters, you know, like on an RV type of awning. So this is my own homemade contraption. These are nice. They're adhesive based suction cups, and they're super strong. So all this side of the van right here was crunched. The light, everything was destroyed. So they did an excellent job getting it all back up. And I had my wife help me put the new decals back on. She did an outstanding job. Morning, everyone. First sip out here early in the morning. All the birds are singing and having a good time waking up, getting ready to start their day, go find some food. But anyway, cheers. Fresh coffee in a setting like this.